Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you backup photos from Kakaotalk apps. So you cannot backup photos on Kakaotalk apps, but you can use another app. So just go to Play Store and search for Unseen and just install this app. After installing this app, just open this app. Now in the bottom, click on next 3 times. Now just select Kakaotalk and click on next. Click on give authorization. Click on unseen and select allow notification access. Click on OK after 10 seconds and click on I am aware of the possible risks. Now just click on OK. Go back, click on already done, and here you can see this option here. There is Kakaotalk. If someone send you a picture or message, it will be permanently saved here. So guys, that's how you can backup photos on Kakaotalk app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.